Being a student of development, I'm always keen to know different perspectives of development. What all factors can affect it? How should we take a development activity for the people? How should we carry it out? So, my expectation from the course was to see or give me a perspective. How should I look my the development from the perspective of climate change and from the perspective of preparing people in case of any disaster. This course was really very relevant for me, since I did not even thought of this thing that this phenomena, global phenomena of climate change could affect the development activity in such a great extent. So, I think this was very relevant for me. I think after going back, I'll definitely share all my experiences with my colleagues, my professors, and would look maybe in future to I would like to go in in this field of climate change and disaster management from as a academician and as a practitioner both. The key takeaways what I will say about the course is before doing this course, I used to think that development I was not much aware of the concept of how to address the how to find out the vulnerable people, how to make a development project which could take them out of their vulnerability or make them resilient. So, I think that this is the main takeaway from me for me of this course, to address a vulnerability of the people while carrying out any development project. I think the course structure was very good. We were told about the different perspectives of climate change, how could it affect us, and how should we look into vulnerable people, how should we make a plan, and the most important, how should the finance part of it should be handled to successfully address the issues. I think the case study of Shimla which we carried out was really very good. It helped us to think from, it helped us to plan on a how means on actually how is it planned on a city level, how different how different government agencies are involved, and how are different central and state government projects interlinked to address this issue. I'll say that time was bit short for us, and but I'll say that the idea which they wanted to convey us was conveyed, and we'll definitely think all these perspectives before doing any before carrying out our any projects in our field.